This is the Marento Cool Mist Humidifier, and it can provide numerous benefits for both health and comfort, making it a worthwhile investment for your home. The cool part about these humidifiers, they have a humidistat control. You can set the humidity from 40 to 80%. It detects the surrounding humidity in real time and will automatically turn on or off to maintain the desired humidity level. With 3 adjustable mist levels, you can manually adjust the mist output for your home by choosing a low, medium, or high setting. And the best part is you can add your favorite essential oils to your humidifier's aroma box, cotton pad, to enjoy wonderful fresh air in a satisfying indoor climate. These are on sale right now, and I put the link below so you can grab one before they sell out.